Hello everyone, it's Sophia, your favorite travel vlogger, and I'm excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful beach. As I walk along the shore, I can't help but be amazed by the crystal clear water and the soft sand between my toes. The waves are gently crashing against the shore, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere. But did you know that this beach has a fascinating history? It was once used as a trading port for ships traveling to different parts of the world, and remnants of that era can still be found today. In fact, there's a small museum nearby that showcases some of the artifacts discovered on this very beach. As I continue my walk, I'm struck by the diversity of the people enjoying this beautiful place. I see families building sandcastles, couples strolling hand in hand, and groups of friends playing volleyball. It's heartwarming to see people of all ages and backgrounds coming together to enjoy nature's beauty. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the beach with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, it's Sophia, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a walk with me along this beautiful beach. The sand is so soft and the ocean is such a vibrant shade of blue, it's truly breathtaking. As I'm walking, I can feel the warmth of the sun on my skin and the gentle breeze blowing through my hair. It's moments like this that make me feel truly alive and grateful for the beauty of this world. Did you know that this beach is actually a popular spot for sea turtle nesting? It's important that we respect their habitat and do our part in protecting these amazing creatures. As I continue my walk, I can see families and friends enjoying their time on the beach, building sandcastles, and playing in the water. It's wonderful to see how the beach brings people together and creates memories that last a lifetime.